What the hell's going on?
The U.S. Comedy Arts Festival tribute to
Monty Python!
What a lovely day.
starring John Cleese,
Terry Gilliam!
Eric Idle,
Derek Jones!
Michael Pylan,
And Ron Chapman!
and hosted by Robert Klein. Ladies and gentlemen, your host, Robert Klein.
I understand that you want to marry my daughter.
That's right, yeah.
Well, I'm sure you'll know what I mean, Mr.
Shabby, Ken Shabby.
Mr. Shabby. What job do you do?
I clean out public lavatories.
Is there a promotion involved?
Oh, yeah. After 5 years, they give me a brush.
Look at him laughing, eh? He's a chirpy little fellow, isn't he? Isn't he a chirpy little fellow, eh? Does he talk? Does he talk, eh?
Of course I can talk. I'm Minister for Overseas Development. Could I have a quick cup of tea, please? I have an important statement on Rhodesia to make in the Commons at 6.
Oh, Mrs. Niggerbait has exploded.
And then, a wife interested in photographs, eh? Know what I mean? Photographs. He asked him knowingly.
Photography?
Yes. Nudge, nudge, snap, snap, grin, grin, wink, wink, say no more.
Holiday snaps.
Could be taken on a holiday, could be, yes, swimming costumes, you know what I mean? Candid photography, you know what I mean? Nudge, nudge.
No, we don't have a camera.
Ah, still. Whoa, eh? Whoa, eh?
Look, are you insinuating something?
Oh, yes.
Well,
Well, I mean, you're a man of the world, aren't you? I mean, you've been there, haven't you? I mean, you've been around. Eh?
what do you mean?
Well, I mean, like you've done it. Look, you know, you slept with a lady.
Yes.
What's it like?
Do you have real anger, hatred towards any of your ex-wives?
No. I mean, I'm quite happy if one or two of them were dead, but I have nothing against. I don't have anything against them as people.
Yeah,
yes,
that's
as
very
people.
kindly.
Yeah.
You wish them dead in the nicest possible way.
In the nicest possible
Yeah.
way, and not slow, agonising deaths that are drawn out over many years or anything like that.
No.
Something quick, like a tree falling on it. You know?
Or your rental car.
Yeah. How many, okay, you've been married 40 years, lovely woman. I've met your wife. She's
awful,
fantastic.
awful.
What is the secret, though? What is the secret to keeping a marriage?
I used to say the secret of marriage is having separate bedrooms, but now I think it's having separate countries. She's from America and I'm from England, and it's kind of perfect. You know, it works very nicely.
That's very nice.
I think the secret is not to have children.
Really? Not to have children?
No, children are the cause of most of the misery in the world. Right? Well, they cost a fortune, you worry yourself sick, and then they grow up like their mothers.
Yeah.
I mean,
And that's just the boy.
You can't ever leave the studio now. You have to stay with us. You're not safe going anywhere. So you have said, I've actually heard you say that you prefer, instead of having children, you think people should have...
Cats.
Cats.
Cats are the answer.
Cats are the answer?
Lovely. They're very affectionate.
Yeah.
You feed them twice a day.
And also, they're the only ones you can really pussy grab.
I've known him I've known him 53 years, and there's no hope at all.
There's no hope. All right, we're going to take a break. I'm going to talk to both of you, and you're going to behave when we return. Ladies and gentlemen, stick around. Much more with John Cleese, Eric Idle. We'll see you in a second.